most people say Ghana women are loud.
Okay.
They are rowdy. They are disrespectful. Yeah, that's basically.
We are the realest you ever find on this earth.
What is so special about our Ghana women? I mean, what Ghana yeah?
Talk a guy you here, oh Malika, near neighbor who I'm where. Like bad.
Ghana women, I'm a woman. I'm a poor child. Yes, and the cooking aspect, as my sister said.
We are more bluffo.
10 over 10. Wow, Onyong ma. Onyong ma.
School need the work I say again.
Mini remote kasi.
She. The Ghana language is a beautiful language, honestly speaking. When you get to meet a native Ghana person speak their Ghana language, you love it. Just get closer to it. Somebody who speaks Ghana, let them teach you. You love the language.
Hi, okay, I told me here you find a mini joke there.
Nah, jelly.
Okay, you put Nade.
Oh,
okay, and let me share with you so that you are okay. Good. So I told me here a mini joke there.
Nah, jelly.
What find a bone?
Nade.
Nade, what do you do?
I'm a student.
Me school.
GIJ. Unimac.
Okay. What about you?
Also a student. Unimac GIJ.
All right. So, welcome to Choco UTV. Many was an will be your street energy. What are some of the misconceptions people have for Ghana women?
Most people say Ghana women are loud.
Okay.
They are rowdy. They are disrespectful. Yeah, that's basically.
So, among your friends, do you hear them say that?
Yeah, some people do, but I don't really think it's the truth. But I'm a Ghana lady, but I'm not like that. I'm not loud. I'm not loud.
Okay.
We are more bluffo.
What do you think? Is it true?
Yes, I heard. That's what I also hear, but there's no truth to that. I mean, we are the realest you ever find on this earth.
Well,
and so since you think it's not true, what is so special about our Ghana women? I mean, what Ghana yeah, mini you are me like a
Oh, I fell. You are Lenny. What's sure you? Cock a guy you here, oh Malika, near neighbor who I'm where. Like bad.
We're talking about needing the family as a no marry you.
Gayo Male. Ganyo B. Fine.
I'm a bibo only ni homo.
Oh yes.
Mini near no ho.
Funny enough. It's more free.
Wow. Oh, I see. Fufu is your favorite. She boy you can come.
Oh yes.
So, over an about no. What do you also think? What since it's not true, the misconception people have about Ghana women, what is so special about our Ghana women?
Oh, Ghana women, I'm a woman. I'm a poor child. Yes, and the cooking aspect, as my sister said.
we are more bluffo.
Everything is on point.
Ke wo ba chose mo gbe fan ani game gaye a chose amojuba.
Oh yes.
Wa nye okay o here an example here ocean oje.
I'm an example, like where I come from. There are certain things you wouldn't see me doing because I wasn't raised up like that. Like going around shouting unnecessarily, insulting people. Like
what is one thing that your mom had given you? Sorry. Remember Banzani. You on a suban koni just some no make a chombo like you think you can share for people to know.
my mommy has trained me to be a well-mannered lady, not any basali.
Not any basali.
Basali.
Okay, over there bon. Keba chose man be fan mi leke le game washing chose or wojoba. Ni one thing about we Ghanaians, if people don't know, we don't like trouble. We are not too known. You know, work there. Nishian Waje, we are well trained and well managed, like well cultured. Yenibo job, can you share one thing like oh mommy, it possible like what a man put your feet?
In blow your mommy. Because as you are a mom about your blow, you have to be very quiet. Not too quiet. I mean you have to mingle, but then talking wise, call we Sanyo de Abashe, Sanyo Obiota mom. Sorry to say, Ojamo Beshian.
Aha,
Nobody will tell you to insult.
wow. So the misconception people have about government out there is so what advice do you have for people out there, especially many na ke gameye ani haloji ame lenoko ame gbo, like what do you want to tell them?
They should take it out of their mind because Ghana ladies are special. Yes.
What about you? Meaning now you more you okay hand.
Get a Ghana lady today, save your life.
Come again.
Get a Ghana lady today, save your life.
I don't know, man. This is not supposed to be funny.
Wow. Okay, I mean the date what?
Get a Ghana woman today, save your life.
Wow. Insane bimoniji na agbe. What do you think about the Ghana language itself?
Okay, so the Ghana language is a nice one. But unfortunately for me, I wasn't really raised with it. So I'm now trying to learn. That's why I haven't really spoken any Ghana like that. It's actually a nice
So
one.
rating your Ghana,
It's a 10 over 10.
10 over 10.
Definitely.
Hey, wow.
Nobody say another language about it. No.
Exactly. So onyong ma le ho,
Small.
onyo kan yo ho. Ofie Ghana school. Be Ghana obomode. Ofa na bo mean o Ghana wie mo in terms of rating
10 over 10.
10 over 10. Wow, onyong ma. Onye ogma.
School anything, what can say Ghana?
Meaning you more ka say.
She.
You fe chi. So are you good in the Chi language?
Yes. I can write, I can speak.
But meaning as basa no onyom mi onye no ka say.
Ghana, let me show me few years.
When you subscribe to Choco YouTube, watch on them feel. So what do you have to tell people out there? Ni ameleka yemo alo if you am yemo alo akono. Me no waka me.
The Ghana language is a beautiful language, honestly speaking. When you get to meet a native Ghana person speak their Ghana language, you love it. Just get closer to a native Ghana language. Somebody who speaks Ghana, let them teach you. You love the language.
Wow. Boom.
Same thing. I agree with my sister.
All right.
The language is top notch. You wouldn't get it.
Nyerado ake nyena be kanke hami Choco YouTube. What's the ko wa pe ko ewo nyerado?
Thank you to Nyonye Radon.
Ka ke mo ko oiradon o ba ke shida. Ole mi e no. All right, thank you so much. All right, bye. So like I'll stand no, I'll stand in between them. But is the height okay? Okay, ready? Are you ready? I hear you. They are occupied. Big caller. Bena.
You didn't come early.
Papi!
Tell the neighbor, how far now?
He's running girl, so he's not hearing. Now we are doing a child.
Ready?